Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to place limit orders on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have of course, in the top, we have the traders, lenders, about more. We have the sign out and return to platform. And in the middle, we have the start trading button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and place limit orders on Bitfinex. First of all, you have to of course go and log into your account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then navigate to trading page. You can go, of course, click on start trading and go to the top left corner and click on trading, as you can see. Then select the trading pair you want to trade from, the ticker, for example, BTC and USD. Then choose limit from the order from the drop-down menu, enter the price amount you wish to buy or sell, select exchange or margin, depending on the type of order you want to execute, then click on exchange, buy or exchange sell to place your order. Your limit total will be executed in the market research, your specified price. If the market does not reach your limit price, the order will remain open until it is either filled or canceled. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.